Fully lift the wiper arms away from the windscreen. If the bonnet restricts lifting, turn on the ignition, and when the wiper blades are in the upright position, switch the engine off. If they still return to their parked position, check your user manual for instructions on setting your car's computer to the Change Wiper Blades position. Slide the latch to the unlock position, then pull the wiper blade away from the wiper arm. We recommend that you don't leave the arm in the upright position, as it can spring back and cause damage. Instead, gently place the wiper arm against the windscreen as you prepare to install your new wiper blade. If fitted, remove the plastic sleeve that protects the wiper blade during transit. Ensure the latch is in the unlock position, then move the wiper blade into place. Once positioned, slide the latch down to lock the wiper blade in place. Always thoroughly clean your windscreen with a good quality glass cleaner to remove any grease and insects. Now is a good time to top up your windscreen washer reservoir, and remember to add a good quality screen wash. Finally, check that your new wiper blades operate correctly.